Hey, David Cole here at 9817 Northeast 138th Place in Kirkland, Washington. Looking forward to showing you this awesome open house we're doing. It's right off 100th Avenue in Kirkland, just in the midst of where the road construction has been for a while, but fortunately it is winding up. First of all, yes, I am licensed to sell. How about that? Pretty cool, huh? Here's this nice, beautiful house. Do a little tour. Come on in. We got the entryway. This is the downstairs entryway area. We got this little space for some storage. We have a bathroom down here. We have another little closet, and then a bedroom down here. I'm going to go back upstairs to the middle floor. All right, up the stairs we go. We've got the dining room. It's a beautiful dining room. We've got this gorgeous kitchen. Gas appliance. We've got the Whirlpool microwave. Whirlpool gas range. Granite countertops. This beautiful Samsung refrigerator. This nice island right here, perfectly staged. In the back, we've got a patio. Not a bad view, really. Just real beautiful. Great for hosting. Got a little lower patio as well. And just a little lawn. Real easy for maintenance. Here we got a living room. Beautifully staged with a gas fireplace. And then on the upper level, I will show you. Here we go up the stairs again. All the way up. Hallway. Bathroom here on the left. Beautiful bedroom. Just keeps on going. Gorgeous bathroom. Big tub. It's deep. It's about 3 feet deep. Great for bubble baths. And then there's a closet here. Plenty of room for all your things. And then we have another bedroom around the corner. Of course, we've got the bathroom there. An office, perfect for being productive at home. Got the washer and dryer upstairs. Whirlpool. And then this other bedroom, really nice paint. I like the blue and white paint. Air conditioning all through the property as well. Beautiful view. Get your view on here, right across from Safeway, basically, and Dairy Queen and McDonald's, just right off 100th. Can't miss it. Beautiful home. Come by today. I will be here from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and look forward to seeing you soon. All right, thank you. Take care. Have a great day. See you soon.